Hello there. In this tutorial, I will explain your writing assignment on page 15 in book 4. In the lesson 51 tutorial, I went over how to sing page 14. Please go back to that if you need a refresher. And the homework assignment on page 15 is to transpose the melodies from 14, which are written in the key of C, to transpose those in the key of D. I want to sing while I'm doing this. I'm going to get my D, Do. The first measure is already given to you. That is transposed from the first measure in the key of C on your page 14. Here we go. We're going to sing Do, Mi, So, Mi, and that will be the 1 chord root position in the key of D. And now we're going to go to Fa, La, Do, La, 4 chord root position. So how do we do that? We know Do is located here, and if we sing up, we go Do, Do, Re, Mi, Fa. So Fa is located on the second line, and then La would be on the third line, and Do would be on the fourth line. Fa, La, Do, La. There we go. Fa, La, Do, La. Then we're going to color them in. We're going to go give them stems. Now, Fa is on the second line, so that's still low enough to put the stem on the right side and going up. Once you are on the third line, you can go either up or down. I'm going to choose to go down because the next one is also going to be down. So down goes on the other side of the note head. Okay, so there we go. Fa, La, Do, La, 4 chord position, and then it comes to now we're going to go to the 5 chord position. Here we go, and that would be So, Ti, Re. I can't sing this high today. That'll be, there's go. So, Ti, Re, Ti. Okay, so is Do, Re, Mi, Fa, So is on the second space. So, La, Ti, Ti, Do, Re, Ti. And of course, you can always go to your little clue in the box in the upper right corner. There you have the chords written out in blocked chords. All right, so this is the 5 chord in root position. So we go So, Ti, Re, Ti, and then we're going to go and do the first one more time because that is right here. Do, Mi, So, Mi, and then we're going to end it on Do. So that is Do, Mi, So, Mi. And it ends on a whole note. There. That's it. Then we're going to add the left hand. Well, we have 1 chord, 4 position, 1 chord in root position, 4 chord in root position, 5 chord in root position, and 1 chord, and one more time, 1 chord. Okay, so here's Do, Mi, So, 1 chord. And then we're going to have Fa, La, Do. And that is over here. So we have Do is located on the third line. Do, Re, Mi, Fa. So here's your Fa. And we're going to follow the note values from the left hand on page 14, which means they're all going to be blocked chords in as a whole note. So we're going to just do one blocked chord, fa, and then la, and then do is that D. And that looks like that because this line is already that line. So here we go. We're going to put that down. That's our 4 chord. And now we're going to go. So we're going to go to the 5 chord. And that is going to be here. So all our notes are quite high, reaching into the treble clef kind of kingdom. We're going to do more of that note reading. This is your middle C, and this line is already the line of your first treble clef line. And I did a mistake. I made this a half note. Sorry about that. And so this is 1 chord, 4 chord, 5 chord, and back to 1 chord. There we go. And one more time right here. There. That will finish up this exercise. Then we're going to go on to the other exercise on the bottom. Here we're going to switch. The right hand is going to get the blocked chords while the left hand is doing the melody. So we have 1 chord in the right hand. That would be D, F sharp, A. Do, mi, so, 1 chord. And now we're going to go to fa, la, do, la, 4 chord position. And the next one, so, di, re, ti, 5 chord position. So, ti, re. And back to do, mi, so, mi, 1 chord position. Do, mi, so, mi, 1 chord position. So that takes care of the right hand. And the melody in the left, we can sing it. It's do, mi, so, mi, fa, la, do, la, ti, so, ti, re, ti, do, mi, so, mi, do. So actually it's the same melody as in the right hand in the first line. So we have D, do is 1, 2, 3. So that's right here. So we have so do. If do is a line note, then mi and so is a line note. And here's your melody. Do, mi, so, mi. And these are going to be quarter notes, and that's when we're going to fill them in. Okay, so we go do, mi, so, mi. And then we're going to go fa, remember la, and then we have a ledger line. Do, la, fa, la, do, la. Steps. There we go. So, ti, re, ti. That would be, so is right here. So we go so, and then T is middle line, and then we have re. So, ti, re, ti. Stems. Back to 1 chord. Do, mi, so, mi, and then do. So let's finish up these. There we go. Do, mi, so, mi, do. And there you have your exercise done, and we are going to play this on the piano. So we have do, mi, so, and then we're going to have fa, la, do, Okay, so here we go. Oops. Now we're going to go up to 4 chord. Do, re, mi, fa. Fa is always the 4th scale degree. And then from fa 1 up is 5. So. And then we're going to lift. And now the same thing with the left hand. I'm going to lift up my right hand into the 4 chord position and root position. Lift. Lift. And that takes care of page 15.